Setting up Mailchimp for a digital product launch can feel like a challenge, but with the right steps, it can be a game changer for your business. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of setting up Mailchimp so you can run a seamless digital product launch. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial offer to make getting started even easier. Before diving in, let me mention that you can get started with Mailchimp completely free by clicking the first link in the description. Plus, we've included some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. First, let's talk about creating your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and do that, and you'll be able to access all the essential features, including email automation and landing pages. Once your account is set up, you'll want to make sure you've entered your business details and connected your domain, which will give you a more professional feel for your emails. Next thing, let's focus on building your audience. Before you send out anything, it's crucial to import or gather your email list. If you don't have one, you can create a sign-up form and embed it on your website or landing page. Make sure you're collecting the right data so you can segment your audience later on for more personalized communication. It's all about targeting the right people with the right message at the right time. The third thing, let's create a campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button and choose Email as your campaign type. For a product launch, I recommend choosing an automated email series that'll build excitement leading up to your launch date. With Mailchimp, you can set up a sequence that sends out the right emails at the right times, whether it's a series of teasers, product reveals, or post-launch follow-ups. Now, we'll jump into the next step, which is designing your emails. Mailchimp has some great templates that you can customize to suit your brand's look and feel. Don't forget to keep the design simple and to the point, especially for a product launch. Your audience will appreciate an email that's easy to read and gives them the information they need in a digestible format. You can also add countdown timers, product images, and even testimonials to build excitement. Next, let's talk about automating your launch sequence. Set up automation to send emails at specific intervals, like a week before the launch, the day of the launch, and a follow-up email a few days after. Mailchimp allows you to automate these emails, so they're sent without any extra effort on your part. This way, you're staying consistent and maintaining engagement with your audience without having to manually send every email. For the final step, test everything. Before launching your emails, it's essential to run a test to make sure everything looks great and functions as expected. Mailchimp lets you send test emails, so you can check how they look on different devices and make sure all links are working correctly. By now, you should have a solid foundation for launching your digital product with Mailchimp. Don't forget, you can use the software for free by clicking the link in the description, and remember, there's an exclusive extended free trial available for you to take advantage of. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable tips on digital product launches. And don't forget to check out that first link below for your exclusive bonuses,